Hello, hope everyone's doing well. So today we're going to go to the Five Bells. It's a pub in Wootton Bassett and it's the highest rated in the whole area, including the next town along. So we're going to go and take a look and we're going to bring you along with us. So let's see what we've got. So we're now in the pub and we've ordered the vegetarian Scotch egg and the fish and chips. So we'll see how that is when it comes out and also see what Gwen thinks of it as well. She's very excited. So this is the first time that we've been to this pub, so we've never been to this one before. So it'll be interesting to see what the food's like. It's reasonably priced, so the fish and chips were 15 and the Scotch egg was £8, which isn't too bad. Obviously when we see the portions, we can let you know if it's sort of worthwhile portion size and, more importantly, the taste. It's not actually raining today, which is nice, even though she's still covered in mud from your walk, aren't you? Yes, you are. Pretty good sized chips. Very thick.
So it's the stuffing. Fried with egg.
Again, we'll do the similar, 5 being the best and 1 being the worst. So what would you rate?
So for me, the Scotch leg, definitely a 5. I think it's really good. Really good. I've never had it like that before, but for me it's really good. Really good. Went really well with the cranberry sauce, and then the fish and chips, I'll give that 4.5.
Okay.
Lovely. It was very nice, very light batter. Yeah, really nice. Then the chips, very chunky, crispy, very chunky, very nice.
Tartar sauce was nice as well,
Tartar
wasn't
sauce,
it?
yeah, homemade tartar sauce. You can always tell when people make homemade tartar sauce, and it does make a big difference if you make homemade tartar sauce. So yeah, brilliant.
There you go. I would say for the Scotch egg, I was really impressed with that as well. So I would give that a 5. It was really big. The sage and onion around the edge was really filling, so it was more than substantial. And again, the cranberry sauce and the salad were really nice with it. The fish and chips, I would probably give a 4. The batter was really light and crispy. I really enjoyed it. The chips were absolutely fantastic. They're really chunky, sort of proper sort of homemade chips, cooked really nicely. And the tartar sauce was fantastic, again, homemade all the way. The only reason why I took a point down was probably just the fish. I've probably had better fish, but that is minor. Absolutely fantastic though. Definitely recommend the 5 Bells. I can see now why it's got really high reviews for the area. So if you want to check it out, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. And at this time, Gwen actually likes the fish. I would ask her, but you're not going to get much out of her. So thank you for watching. Again, if you do like this sort of content, do let us know. It really helps. So put a thumbs up, share, all the rest, comment. So thank you so much, and till the next one, have a great day.